Why does everyone want to try affiliate marketing? If you are not familiar with all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing, it will be extremely helpful for you if you did some research. While this can be a very lucrative opportunity, there are some chances of losing more than you gain. Being aware of the entire process can only be a good thing for you. Affiliate marketers would do well to utilize sites like Google Optimizer. With this site, you can easily increase your profits as an affiliate by increasing your subscription base. Not every subscriber is going to become a customer for you, but the more subscribers you have, the more likely you are to turn commissions. To get a wider range of visitors to click through to your merchants, give them choices. Rather than sell just one hairdryer, sell 5 hairdryers and let them choose their favorite. Giving your visitors options makes them feel in control of the situation. Providing choices also increases your chance of appealing to visitors with specific criteria in mind. A great tip for participating in affiliate marketing is to write reviews. If customers do not see reviews about products, they will not know your thoughts about these products. As a result, they will not be as likely to purchase the products. Write reviews on your site, as well as in videos and newsletters. A great affiliate marketing tip is to simply ask for more money from the company you're doing business with. If you've proven yourself to be reliable and you generate steady income, most companies will agree to give you a higher commission. This is an easy way to make more money. As the beginning of the video stated, it is important that you do your research on affiliate marketing. Make sure that you fully understand every aspect of it before you attempt to make any investments into anything. If you have any doubts about anything, then it is best that you not participate. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.